Welcome to English Beginner Bonnie channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at a conversation about a relaxing coffee break. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about Justin and Bonnie. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What kind of muffin does Justin buy? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Alright, let's start the video.
I am so tired. Basketball practice was very hard today.
I understand. My math exam was also difficult. I need a treat.
This place is very warm and quiet. I like the smell of fresh coffee here. Let's find a table.
Look, that table is free. It has comfortable chairs. Let's sit there together.
I am very thirsty too. Let's look at the menu. What do you want to drink today?
Everything looks delicious. I think I want a hot vanilla latte. It sounds very sweet.
A vanilla latte sounds good for a cold day. I want a large iced Americano. I need some energy.
Are you hungry? I see some fresh muffins and chocolate cakes. They look very tasty.
Yes, I am very hungry. I want a blueberry muffin. How about you? Do you want a piece of cake?
No cake for me. I will just have the latte. I am still full from lunch. Let's go order.
Hello, welcome to our cafe. How can I help you today? Are you ready to order your drinks?
Hi, we would like one hot vanilla latte and one large iced Americano, please, and one blueberry muffin.
One vanilla latte, one iced Americano, and one blueberry muffin. Would you like the muffin warmed up?
Yes, please. Warm it up. That sounds much better. How much is the total for everything?
That will be $12, please. You can pay with cash or card. Thank you very much for coming.
I will pay for us, Bonnie. It is my treat because you worked hard on your exam.
Oh, thank you, Justin. That is very kind of you. I will buy next time, I promise.
Please take a seat. This will buzz when your drinks and muffin are ready. Enjoy your break.
The music here is very relaxing. I feel better already.
Me too. I love this neighborhood. It is very peaceful. We should come here more often after school.
I agree. Look, the sun is setting. The sky is orange and beautiful. I love this view.
Oh, our order is ready. I will go get the tray. Wait here for a moment. Here we go. One latte for you and one iced coffee for me.
It is perfect. Now tell me more about your basketball practice. Was it really that hard?
Yes, we ran for an hour. But let's talk about that while we eat. This muffin is great.
Okay, let's enjoy our break. We have plenty of time. This is the best part of my day.
I agree. Good coffee and good company. I am not tired anymore. Let's finish our snacks together.
Yes, let's. I am glad we came here. This was a very good idea, Justin. Thank you again.
You're welcome. Now try a piece of this blueberry muffin. It is still very warm and soft.
Wow, you are right. It is delicious. Maybe I should have ordered one too.
You can share mine. I cannot eat it all by myself anyway. Here, have some more.
Thanks. This is a perfect afternoon. I am ready for school tomorrow now. Let's finish up.
Okay, let's go home. I need to rest. See you tomorrow at school, Bonnie.
See you tomorrow, Justin. Have a good night and sleep well. Thank you for the coffee.
What kind of muffin does Justin buy? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with simple and practical expressions for daily life. I will keep uploading videos like this. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next